Hey everybody, this is Rob again. I haven't done an unboxing video in a little while. And I got a box in the mail. In fact, this is it right here. And of course I'm not going to take and show the address. No address on that side. But this is from Mr. Charles P. Mr. Charles Polk. And I know what the majority of this box is. It's the double spicy hot Cheetos. There's supposed to be 3 bags in here. But, as we all know, Mr. Charles grows some interesting plants. And when he sent the package, he said, oh, I included a bit of something extra in here. And he did say pods, yes. So, let's open this up and see what we're looking at. Okay, bubble wrap, bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Okay, they're the double extra spicy flaming hot Cheetos. So, 3 of these. 2. And 3. I was wondering how he was gonna do this, and I like Charles' style here. And put a priority box inside the regular box, and he has a pepper list on the outside of it. So this is interesting in and of itself. Get that off here, one way or another, hopefully. Of course, doesn't want to cooperate. I guess I didn't really need to take and cut it that way either. Yep, he really sealed it up. So, let's get this open. And knives work as a letter opener too. That is great. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Looks like there's and finally number 20, just because it's you, ahi lemon drop. Okay. I am not going to go through this entire list. Maybe if I hold it up here and hold it up steady enough, you can see it. And you can hit the pause or whatever and read the entire list. But that's an impressive list. Let me grab my glasses here. Okay, Helix Nebula, Golden Ghost, Wilt Beckham, 1. Jace Peach Ghost, Paper Lantern, haven't had one of those. Yellow Lightning Habanero, haven't had one of those. Those look cool. A Primo BBM, a Big Black Mama, okay. The Hinkle Hats, red is in here too. That should prove to be interesting. Oh, the Habanada's in here. I've been looking forward to trying one of those. Supposed to taste like a habanero, but no heat. Oh, there's a Kingstar Red, a Kingstar Yellow, Kingstar Lemon Starburst, and oh, also the Kingstar Sriracha Pumpkin. And finally, just because it's you, ahi lemon drops. Laugh out loud. Enjoy, Robbie says. Cool. That is a very impressive list, Charles. Thank you in advance. Let's take and open this up and see what we're dealing with. And yes, I know, don't cut towards yourself. But I do it anyway, right? There we go. Oh my. Look at that. And he's even got them all numbered, so I can take and put the ones across from one to another. Good job on the packaging on this, Charles. What is this one? Number 1 is the Helix Nebula. Look at the size of that pepper. That is just nuts. Let's see. What is this? 28. Ahi lemon drop. 22 is a little tiny thing. That purple tiger. Wow, those are small. Okay. What's number 4? Number 4 is the Jay's Peach Go Scorpion. Oh, I have not had one of those either. This should be the Kingstar. Oh, it's a Marupia Amarilla. Okay. Sweet. Hopefully you can see the box here. Oh, that's what the Kingstar Red looks like. Sweet. This is the this is a Jamaican jerk. Wow. Okay, so this has got to be the Lemon Starburst. Yep. Just the vibrancy of the color here. Man. Charles, these look wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. What are the little white ones? These are the Chipotino Whites.
What's the big purple bugger?
Big purple bugger. By the way, that's Adam.
Hi, everyone.
This is Berbier Coffee Brown. Never tried one of those either.
Oh, it is more brown once he held it up.
Yeah. Number 6 is the Yellow Lightning Habanero. They actually have them where they look like a lightning bolt. You know, the perfect phenome on them, but that looks great. Oh boy, we're gonna have some fun with these, I think. Mr. Charles, I thank you very much for sending these. I greatly appreciate it. I know you didn't have to take an ad into all of these, but man, this is quite the impressive haul. Oh, buddy. Thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. And now everybody else can see an example of what you're growing from another angle. Alrighty, with that said, I want to thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Charles, again, I appreciate you sending this. These look fantastic. And with that, I'm going to shake the box a little bit so it settles. There we go. And with that said, I am going to say thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like button, notification button, comment down below. You know, usually get back to people within a day or so. And with that, again, I will see you later. Bye.